Hey everyone, welcome back to Awesomer Toys. Today, we'll be using colorful spoons to find surprises inside these Play-Doh cups. Alright, let's start with this blue Play-Doh cup. What are you hiding inside? Let's use the blue spoon to find the surprise. Awesome! We found the blue surprise egg. Our first surprise is a My Little Pony figure. It's Apple Cinnamon. And our second surprise is Buzz Lightyear. Alright, let's turn this blue Play-Doh into another surprise toy. Yes! We got 2 chocolate surprise eggs. Let's start by opening this Zootopia one. Here are all the surprises we can collect. Oh look, we got Lieutenant Judy Hobbs. Now let's check out this Hello Kitty chocolate egg. Here are all the surprises we can collect. Awesome! We found Hello Kitty, and it looks like she's about to go swim. Alright, pink Play-Doh cup, what are you hiding? Let's use a red spoon to find the surprise. Awesome! We found the red egg! Oh, here's a Mash'ems! It's Scooby-Doo! And here's a Paw Patrol character! We found Marshall! Okay, let's turn this pink Play-Doh into another surprise. Yes! We got 2 more chocolate surprise eggs. Let's check out this epic egg. Start by checking out the chocolate. Here's how it looks. So this is a little different than the Kinder Joy. We get a bunch of small cookies to eat with our chocolate. Now let's check out the toy. Oh, looks like we got an accessory. It's an orange fish hairpin. Alright, let's check out another epic egg. Let's get the chocolate and go straight to the toy. Awesome! It looks like we got a fashion bracelet. Here's how it looks. I like how colorful it is. Alright, Green Play-Doh, do you have a nice surprise for us? Let's use a green spoon to find the surprise. Yes! It's a green surprise egg. Awesome! Here's Chase from the Paw Patrol. And here's Sky from the Paw Patrol. Let's turn this green Play-Doh into another surprise toy. Awesome! 2 more chocolate eggs! Let's start by checking out this Jungle Book one. Here are all the characters we can collect. Awesome! We got a Mowgli eraser. Now let's check out this Scooby-Doo chocolate egg. Here are all the surprises we can collect. How cool! We got a Daphne figure. Last but not least, let's see what this purple Play-Doh is hiding. Let's use a purple spoon to find the surprise. Awesome! We found the purple surprise egg. Check it out! It's a My Little Pony figure. It's DJ Pone 3. And here's Dash from The Incredibles. Okay, let's make one more surprise using this purple Play-Doh. Whoa! Now this is a giant surprise egg. Here's a spoon. We get some chocolate. Oh, it's the same as the epic egg, but this one's bigger. Here's a little light up ball. Check it out, red and blue lights. And here's our surprise toy. It's a tiger that we can wind up. What? Awesome! This tiger is pretty good with the jump rope. If you want to watch more surprise toys being opened, be sure to click that subscribe button. See ya!